Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair headband wig video. I have so many on my channel now. A lot of people seem to like them, but yeah, even if y'all didn't, I just had a whole bunch of them coming. So I am about to have like faux locks soon, so even I'm about to take a break from them. But this one's a little bit different because we have a highlighted long one from YGWigs today. So I saw the unboxing and everything. The cap construction is just like with most of the headband wigs from the human hair companies. 3 combs around the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on each side, a comb in the back, and this one doesn't have adjustable straps to it. Here is the color here. It's kind of interesting how they have it. It seems like they have it a split color, which I'm not like, I don't know how I feel about it yet. But yeah, this is available. So I have not washed it. I'm wearing this right out the pack. That's how I've been wearing all of them, but wash them if you want to. My edges are already laid because I have been like reviewing wigs all day. So let's go ahead and try it on. Well, before I try it on, let me read the specs of this wig. So this is so with YGWigs, their prices are a lot lower than the higher end headband wigs that I have featured on my channel. So their prices start at $99 for a 14 inch, and the 20 inch that I have is $158, and then with the discount it's $138 if I'm not mistaken. But all of the specs will be in the description box. The bottom line, this is a more affordable company, affordable human hair company, so their prices are going to be a bit lower. So if you're somebody who wants a human hair wig, headband wig, but you don't want to pay the higher end prices, you want something more like lower, mid-tier, this could be a good option for you. And this comes with color, 20 inches and 150% density. This is a 1B/30 color. I am getting some shedding. This is fresh out the pack, and it's mainly the blonde part, so that's what I see. So let's see what we can do. I don't usually wear the comb in the middle, but I'm just gonna do it today. I believe I tried a highlighted full lace wig from them earlier this year, and it was really pretty. I'm liking this color, kinda. We'll see. Let me not get too hyped yet. All right, so my edges are already laid down, and I use the Shea's Balm Edge Control, and it's really good. I've been using it for about a month now. I really like it. Here it's hitting for. I like the curl pattern, so I don't really want to do, well, it's got that, you know, in the pack look, so I need to rake it out and spray a little water on it. Well, this isn't water. This is the Comeback Curl Revitalizing Spray from Can 2. This particular texture, the curls start like an inch or less from the root, instead of being like 3 or 4 inches of just straight hair and then curly. So I like this. I like that about this wig. So my observation from reviewing all of these headband wigs in the last month or so, they're not all created equal. Just because one company has a curly wig and then another one doesn't mean they're gonna both be nice. Some things might be missing that another company has. This one is nice so far, I gotta say. I like the color on this, even though it can be a little bit, you know, early 2000s of, you know, with the chunky highlights, but I think the highlights are very pretty. So I'm gonna put some of this Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner like towards the end of the hair, and use my Denman style brush to run through it. It's a split color, but I feel like I like this side more because I feel like that kind of blonde color kind of frames my face a little bit more. gonna use some headbands that I have from other companies. But I was on their website. I think you get 2 free headbands when you order a wig. But I have so many now to choose from. I'm just gonna try some on. Oh, this is cute, cute. This is giving me bohemian vibes. So it's crazy the vibes you can create just with your hair. So I'm gonna put on my bracelets and my hoops.
Alright guys, so you guys have seen me do a few styles and then change up my accessories, try different earrings and necklaces. The collars that you saw, like the chunkier necklaces, those are from Urban Collars. It is a female-owned, black-owned business here in South Carolina. She makes some beautiful, very unique pieces, so check her out. Yeah, so let's get into this review, the pros and the cons. I'm just gonna kind of fire them off back and forth. The color is a pro and a con. I do like that it has the highlights in it to break up the monotony of all the black curly wigs that I've tried. So it's a pro in that manner because I do like the color of the highlights, but I do feel like the color could have been blended better. Like it could have been finessed a bit more and not like chunky highlights. That could be like a trending thing, but I prefer my highlights to be kind of more blended than this. But at the same time, it's cute at the same time. So it's a pro and a con. I do have some shedding with this wig. It's not excessive, but it's like moderate shedding. And this is right out the pack, so that's true shedding with the wig. But those are the cons for me. The pros for this wig: this curl pattern is the kind of curl pattern that I like when I have curly wigs. I either like kinky curly wigs with the, you know, coils that are like 3C to 4C textures, because that looks more so like my hair. Or if I'm gonna do a curly wig, I want it to be something it has a low luster like this, and that has a little bit of kink to it. This doesn't say that it's kinky or anything on in the specs for this wig, but it does have more kink to it and it looks more natural. So I do like that. I do like that. I like the length of this wig, especially with this color. Yeah, so overall I do like this wig. I just kind of sort of don't like the color of it and the shedding, but it's still very pretty. Let me see if I can find how much this. Oh yeah, I told you guys, this wig is like gonna be under $150 with a coupon code added to it. So if you're somebody looking for a human hair headband wig, but you don't want to pay those higher end prices that I featured on my channel with some of my favorite headband wigs, then this could be a good option for you. I do think, I'm just back and forth with this color. What do you think? Do you think it's pretty? Are you feeling this color, or are you kind of on the fence like I am with it? Just tell me down below. If you are interested, there should be a coupon code down below. Just check if there is. Use it at checkout. If they're having a sale, use it at checkout. All the specs will be down there and a direct link to where you can purchase it. Shout out to YGWigs for sponsoring this video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and watching another video. I know I've had a ton of videos up this week, but I have deadlines to make, you know? So that's why you have seen me so many times this week. I am gonna have some faux locks in soon, so I can take a break from all these wigs and just kind of chill for a little bit. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Shout out to YGWigs for sponsoring this video again, and subscribe if you haven't, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.